You're at the station, the train is coming, you need a ticket, but you don't know what to say.
Common mistake. Where is platform? Correct. Where is the platform?
Excuse me, which platform for the train to city center? Hey, everyone, welcome back. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Today we learn easy public transport English.
If this helps you, subscribe for more simple English.
Let's go.
First, ticket phrases.
Then platforms and delays.
At the end, you can do a short conversation alone. Quick challenge, speak out loud with us.
Paul, I'm nervous. I need a ticket to city center.
No problem. Say it simple. Excuse me, one ticket to city center, please.
One way or return?
What is return?
Return means go and come back.
Return, please.
Here you go.
Now, which platform?
Ask, which platform for the train to city center?
Excuse me, which platform for the train to city center?
Platform 3.
Wait, one problem. The screen says delayed.
Delayed means late.
Is the train delayed?
Yes, it's delayed 15 minutes.
When is the next train?
10:30, platform 3.
Perfect, thank you.
Success. Ticket, platform, time.
Phrase 1. One ticket to city center, please. It means you want to buy a ticket.
Example, one ticket to Park Street, please. Common mistake, I want ticket. Fix, I want a ticket.
Phrase 2. One way or return. It means go once or go back to.
Answer, one way, please, or return, please.
Phrase 3. Which platform for the train to... It means where do I wait?
Common mistake, where platform. Fix, which platform?
Phrase 4. Is the train delayed? It means is it late?
Common mistake, train is delay. Fix, is the train delayed?
Phrase 5. How many minutes late? It means how late is it?
Common mistake, how much minutes? Fix, how many minutes?
Phrase 6. When is the next train? It means next time it leaves.
Common mistake, when next train? Fix, when is the next train?
One ticket to city center, please.
One ticket to city center, please.
One way, please.
One way, please.
Return, please.
Return, please.
Which platform for the train to city center?
Which platform for the train to city center?
Is the train delayed?
Is the train delayed?
How many minutes late?
How many minutes late?
When is the next train?
When is the next train?
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Quiz time.
Ready?
Q1. A or B? A. Where platform 3? B. Where is platform 3? Answer. B. We need where is.
Q2, A or B? One ticket to city center, please, or one platform to city center, please. Answer, A. You buy a ticket.
Q3. Fill in the blank. Which platform to the train to city center? Answer. 4.
Q4, fill in the blank. Is the train late? Answer, delayed.
Q5. Say it in English. Next bus time. When is the next bus? Role play. Pause and speak.
Hello,
Excuse me, one ticket to city center, please.
one way or return?
Return, please.
Platform 3?
Is the train delayed?
Yes, 15 minutes.
Level up. Same meaning, but better. Can I have a return ticket to city center, please?
Sure.
Which platform is it?
Platform 3?
Is it delayed today?
Yes, about 15 minutes.
Recap. Ticket, platform, delay.
Homework, write 1 to 2 sentences in the comments.
Example. One ticket to the airport, please. Which platform?
Example,
Is the bus delayed? When is the next bus?
Bye.
Keep practicing.